Sawadee Krab. We had our wonderful International Day celebrations today, and seeing the pride and interest in the more than 40 nationalities that go to make up our community, I can see how important it is to celebrate our regional differences in order to affirm our basic fundamental similarities. We are all one human family. Writing at the start of this century, the Dalai Lama explained that the world has grown smaller and the world's people have become almost one community. Large multinational groups, industry and international trade have produced a global economy, and worldwide communications are eliminating ancient barriers of distance, language and race. He went on to say, whether we like it or not, we have all been born on this earth as part of one great human family. Rich or poor, educated or uneducated, belonging to one nation or another, to one religion or another, adhering to this ideology or that, ultimately each of us is just a human being like everyone else. We all desire happiness and do not want suffering. Furthermore, each of us has an equal right to pursue these goals. Today's world requires that we accept the oneness of humanity. In the past, isolated communities could afford to think of one another as fundamentally separate and even existed in total isolation. Nowadays, however, events in one part of the world eventually affect the entire planet. Therefore, we have to treat each major local problem as a global concern from the moment it begins. We can no longer invoke the national, racial or ideological barriers that separate us without destructive repercussion. In the context of our new interdependence, considering the interests of others is clearly the best form of self-interest. The Dalai Lama views this fact as a source of hope. The necessity for cooperation can only strengthen mankind because it helps us recognize that the most secure foundation for the new world order is not simply broader political and economic alliances, but rather each individual's genuine practice of love and compassion. We are truly international and interdependent, and that is a very positive environment for our students. The next generation will learn in this, to work and study in this environment, truly reflective of the world we all live in. I hope you have a lovely half-term. Cop and Crab.